Electricity and circuits. Activity. Test a circuit. Objective. To test for conductors and insulators of electricity by making a simple electric circuit. Theory. A substance that allows electric current to pass through it is called a conductor, whereas a substance which does not allow electric current to pass through it is called an insulator. For example, metals and graphite are conductors of electricity, whereas rubber and plastic are insulators of electricity. Did you know? 1. The electrical wires above the electric train are supported by porcelain objects as they are insulators of electricity. 2. Some materials behave in between a conductor and an insulator. These materials are called semiconductors. 3. Semiconductors are important in electronics such as computers and mobile phones. 4. The most commonly used semiconductor in electronics today is silicon. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to 1. Know about conductors and insulators of electricity. 2. Make a simple electric circuit connecting an electric cell with a bulb. Materials required. 1. A dry cell or a battery. 2. A small torch bulb with a holder. 3. Connecting copper wires. 4. Range of materials to test, for example eraser, iron nail, ruler, coin, etc. Procedure. 1. Construct or test a circuit similar to the one shown in the diagram. 2. Test a range of different materials by touching the loose ends of the circuit wires onto the surface of the material. 3. Keep the ends of the wires about 1 cm apart. 4. See if the light torch bulb glows or not. Observation. Conclusion. Materials such as iron nail and coin allow electric current to pass through them. Hence, they are conductors of electricity. Materials such as eraser and ruler do not allow electric current to pass through them. Hence, they are insulators of electricity. Precaution. 1. The bulb used for the experiment should not be fused. 2. The connections of copper wire with the terminals of cell and bulb should be tight. Sorting queries.
Mom, can we get an electric shock while making an electric circuit?
No, as the voltage of dry cell is only 1.5 volt, which is very less. So, you will not get an electric shock. But, if you touch a wire which has a very high voltage of 220 volt, then you will get a severe electric shock.
So Mom, why don't the birds get electrocuted when they sit on an electric transmission wire in the street?
When a bird is perched on a single wire, its 2 feet are at the same electrical potential, so the electrons in the wires have no motivation to travel through the bird's body. No moving electrons means no electric current. So, our bird is safe. We hope you liked this activity. Happy learning!